Well, you take a look at this quesadilla. Cheesy, gooey, and so full of flavor. These buffalo chicken quesadillas have all the bold flavors of buffalo chicken wings with gooey, melted cheese packed in an easy-to-eat handheld meal. What I love about this recipe is that the slow cooker did all the work to make the chicken. If you want to see how that's made, check out this video. I'll also leave a link in the description box below so you can check that out after this video. So, the quesadillas. My family loves them because they're super easy to eat. The debate is still out in my family whether these go with ranch or blue cheese dressing. I'm personally partial to anything blue cheese, so remember that it doesn't matter what you use. But do let me know. Are you a ranch or a blue cheese dressing kind of person? I'm just curious. Let me know in the comments below this video. Anyways, I have a hot griddle here, but you can use a large pan to cook these. I'm going to place the tortilla onto my griddle and then take some of the cooked buffalo chicken and place it onto the tortilla. Then I'm going to sprinkle some mild cheddar and some blue cheese crumbles. The mild cheddar will melt and make the inside gooey, while the blue cheese provides that classic sharp flavor combo we all love. All you need to do is top the quesadilla with let's just drizzle a little bit more of the buffalo sauce for added flavor. And once the bottom has gotten a bit golden, crispy, and the cheese has melted onto the tortilla, you just flip it. Check this out, perfectly toasted on top, the cheese is gooey. Now, we just simply remove it from the griddle onto the cutting board. Are you ready to see what it looks like inside? Good, me too. Gosh, cheesy, melty, gooey. Oh wait, it gets better. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of dressing over the top and a bit more of buffalo sauce. For the slow cooker buffalo chicken recipe and the other buffalo sauce recipes, make sure you check the description box right below this video. You are simply going to love them. And while you're down there, click that subscribe button. I love to send you a new recipe every single week. I made a heat dome so we can speed up the cooking and we don't have to wait forever.